Have you ever walked into a room and immediately forgotten why you went there? Or studied all night for an exam only to go blank the moment the paper is in front of you? Don't worry, you're not broken. That's just how memory works. Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's Psychology Series episode, we're exploring memory and forgetting, how your brain stores information, why it sometimes lets you down, and how you can actually improve recall. How memory works. 3 stages. Think of memory like a library system with 3 steps. Encoding. This is when information enters your brain. For example, meeting someone new and hearing their name. Storage. Keeping that information safe over time, like saving a file on your computer. Retrieval. Pulling it back when you need it, like remembering that name later. Now here's the catch. Sometimes the file gets misplaced, corrupted, or just deleted. That's forgetting. Why we forget. There are several reasons. Decay. Memories fade if we don't use them, like forgetting a math formula you learned 3 years ago. Interference. New information messes with old ones. Ever changed your password and then kept typing the old one? That's interference. Retrieval failure. The info is there, but you can't access it in the moment. That dreaded tip-of-the-tongue experience when you know the answer, but your brain refuses to cooperate. So yes, forgetting isn't always bad. It's your brain's way of keeping only the most useful stuff. Fun example. Think of your brain like your phone's storage. If you never delete memes, old screenshots, and 57 versions of the same selfie, your phone slows down. Forgetting helps free up mental space so you don't crash like an overloaded laptop. How to improve memory. Practical tips. Now the good news. You can boost your memory. Psychologists suggest rehearsal, repeating info over time instead of cramming. Chunking, grouping info, like remembering a phone number as 555-123-4I-6-7 instead of 10 random digits. Mnemonics, using tricks or silly phrases. For example, every good boy deserves fruit to remember musical notes. Sleep. Yes, sleep actually strengthens memory, so those all-nighters aren't helping. And my personal favorite, eliminate distractions. Because let's be honest, trying to memorize while scrolling Instagram is like pouring water into a leaking bucket. So here's the takeaway. Memory is powerful, but it's not perfect. By understanding how it works, you can make it stronger and stop beating yourself up when you forget little things. In the next episode, we'll dive into cognitive psychology, perception, attention, problem solving, and decision making. Check the playlist link in the description, subscribe if you haven't, and let's keep exploring the amazing world of psychology together.